Welcome to Delicious Dishes by Dianna. I'm Dianna, and welcome to my small kitchen. Today I'm going to make you one of my favorite salad dressings. It's a lemon vinaigrette. I think you're going to really like this. It's super easy to make. Let me show you how this is done.
To get started, we're going to need a lemon, some olive oil, white distilled vinegar, balsamic vinaigrette, and honey. Also some seasoning. I'm going to use a mason jar to hold my vinaigrette. Let's cut the lemon in half and squeeze it into a measuring cup just to collect any seeds that might come out. Even though I'm using a squeezer, sometimes a seed will escape. I have a Houdini seed. Alright, I think I got all the lemon out of that one. Squeeze the last one, the last half. Pour that into the mason jar. Gonna add about maybe a quarter of a cup of the balsamic vinaigrette. If you don't like balsamic vinaigrette, try something else. Pour that into the mason jar. I'm going to use a quarter cup of olive oil. Actually, a little more than a third, maybe a third of a cup. 2 tablespoons of honey. If you like it sweeter, add extra honey. I don't like mine too sweet. I like a hint of sweet. Pour that into the mason jar. I could have done that, but oh well. I'm going to add about a quarter cup of the white distilled vinegar. Let's add some onion powder, a little less than a teaspoon. About a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Some salt, a skosh amount of salt. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Put the lid on it and give it a really good shake.
And there we have it. Lemon vinaigrette. Okay, I put some on. I had a little bit of cabbage. I'm not ready to eat my lunch yet, but I have my dressing ready. And so I just put it on a little bit of cabbage. It's good on lots of things. My favorite salad is spinach salad. But let's try this. See if it needs some seasoning. No, it does not. If you like it a little sweeter, you can add a little more honey. It's sour and tart. You can taste the lemon. So thank you for joining me today on Dianna's Delicious Dishes, and I hope you'll take a chance on this lemon vinaigrette. It is mighty delicious. Shine for Jesus in all you do. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time.